Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making another budget-friendly-ish meal that is going to feed your whole family. And this one is really awesome because it is cooked in one pan. I am using my lasagna pan. I have greased this pan. You can use whatever you would normally cook a casserole in, but I would suggest definitely greasing the pan. I'm adding 1 full can of cream of chicken soup. And if you would prefer to use cream of mushroom or cream of broccoli or any of those other cream of soups, you should be able to use that just fine according to your taste. Next, I am using a whole container, a small container, this is the 8-ounce container, of sour cream. Just kind of stir that around just a little bit. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of onion powder. I'm going to sprinkle in some minced garlic. Some paprika. Just lost my spatula down in my dish. Then I'll just add a little bit of salt, not a lot. Mix that all up. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of minute rice. I'm using brown, but you could use white. But you definitely want to use the minute rice. That way it will cook up faster. Then I have pulled chicken that I actually slow cooked this myself. So that would add another pot, but you do not have to do that. You could use frozen, already cooked, fully cooked chicken. You could use, if you wanted to spend the extra, you could get it from a deli or something like that. Or if you just happen to have leftover chicken, you can use that. I went ahead and added about another 1/2 cup of just water to this because I didn't feel like it was probably enough liquid to cook that rice. I'm going to use a whole pack of shredded cheddar. It's an 8-ounce pack. Spread that evenly around the top. I have about 1.5 cups of these Ritz style crackers. These come in 4 sleeves. 1 sleeve is like the perfect amount. I have a 1/2 stick of butter that I'm just gonna pour. It's mostly melted enough. Stir that all up. Try to get all the cracker coated with the butter. Then just spread the cracker out throughout the whole dish. My oven is preheated to 350. This is going to go in for approximately 20 minutes or until the rice is at the desired consistency. Some people like their rice more on the soft side, and some prefer it the other way. I happen to be a soft rice eater, so mine I'm sure is going to be in for probably at least 20 minutes, if not a little bit longer. Once it's done, I'll get it out, I'll plate it up, and I'll let you see what it looks like. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating.